Are you ready, Randy?
I'm ready.
You ready?
I got blue slime because I already mixed the blue food coloring in the glue because I use it with kids in 3rd grade to make models of the Earth ocean. So, so we have but slime is a very popular thing, and you can buy it, but it's more fun to make it. Yeah. And so basically, this is a really old soap that some of us older folks remember. Death Valley Days, brought to you by 20 Mule Team Borax.
That? Absolutely not, Randy.
I'm with you, Rick. I'm with you.
Borax is a natural occurring material, and it is going to, I'm going to mix a little in here. You put it in, there's the recipe with warm water, and you notice I've already mixed this one, and it's pretty clear. You want clear, and there's a little bit of a precipitate down at the bottom. Okay. That just means some of it didn't dissolve. Okay. And anybody that's been around the kitchen, if you heat up the water, more will dissolve in. So you got your glue. You can, we got some blue glue, and we'll try some white glue, and we're going to make 3 different types of slime. Now, glue is a polymer, and so is slime. The word polymer is just a material science where the molecules stick together but can be stretched. Okay. So rubber, plastic, glue, and slime can be stretched. So
why do we have these gloves on?
Well, because you're going to mix it.
We're going to get dangerous, Randy, okay? We're scientists.
Here comes the mixture. So we're going to make, and so Randy, you can start stirring it or use your gloves and your hands. And
what would you prefer me?
I do my hands. Kids do their hands, but
get in there, Randy.
you can make this. Now you notice it's changing. Look, as you do that, you start to see these pieces coming out. It's like. And
it's like stretching.
It's stretching. So the glue that was very viscous is now, look, I'm starting to lift up pieces, and that is a really cool slime. It's changing. All those molecules are coming together. Okay. And I think, Randy, you may need a little more.
Some more right there.
There we go. And sometimes you can do this in a baggie. A baggie works. Now,
it's already sticking to me.
It is. So you notice that its material properties have changed. If you know the story about Post-it notes, 3M, there was a scientist trying to make an adhesive that would stick. This is material science. And he found out that it would stick, but then it would come undue, but it would work again. And nobody thought there was a use for it until he went to church and made some in his Bible to follow along with the sermon. They still didn't think that was a good, so he gave it to the secretaries. And the secretaries at 3M found a great use, and that's how a material science, even like slime and all these polymers are sticking together.
Now, how come mine's so liquid?
Well, the glue may be bad.
All right, Randall.
I think you're just not good at this, Randy. I think I'm just the best. I think I'm just
a little bit on your phone
there. You wanted some green slime? I didn't green. You can put glitter in it. You can put glitter in it.
Nickelodeon style.
That's where you know slime.
Right. I'm quitting. My glue's no good.
I'm going to try something.
Don't be a quitter, Randy. Come on, keep going.
Like war.
Yeah, well, sometimes this is some nasty stuff. This is toner from a laser jet, and I'm going to try to get that mixed in because what it is also magnetic. And now, if I touch this with my hands without gloves, it's going to be a mess. Randy?
Thanks, Rick. You want me to just kind of
I'm trying to mix that up. This
is my good suit here, Rick. I paid $20 for it.
Randy, you're messing up our internship. You got to show up.
Black goes better. Black goes better with.
Yeah.
How we doing? Pull apart and see if that works. I don't think that's working too good. So let's mix the black in with the.
We're not doing very well, are we?
No, and there we go.
Missed it there, right?
Well, George, we're going to keep trying to figure out how to be good scientists. So far, it's not going so good. I feel like as my partner,
can I use your
it's not that great. No, you cannot use my tech. Get away from me, Randy. I don't like doing his hands, George.
Here we go.
George, watch this guy, man. I don't know what Randy's doing with his hands, George. I don't trust this man.
Blame it on Randy.
Slime, monster slime.
All right, George. You think you'd be a better partner than Randy Alice?
I failed, George.
You know, if I was over there, I'd be blowing some stuff up because that's how I roll.
Okay, you guys. Hey.